up, guys? I just came back from school and I'm poorly, but just ignore that. So, we're looking at a new toy. I never did a toy video, so here's the toy. It's a Lamborghini. I didn't bought it from Hot Wheels. There was no more favorite. There was no more Hot Wheels, so I decided to get a Lamborghini. Yeah. Let me just put the camera down. Oh, sorry guys. Let me... Actually not there, okay. So we're looking at a little coach, it's a Lamborghini. You might heard again. So, here's the box. Lamborghini. Let's open this baby up. And there's no tape, so it's great. Let me just rip it. Oops. Rip it a little bit. And guys, I lift the weight. So I'm strong. But let me just do something. Aha! I ripped it. I'll show you. Let me just... This is hard to open. You think it's easy, but this is hard. And guys, if you saw my YouTube channel that I said bad words, just forgive me. I'm sorry. When I said bad words in the video, and you do not know where I live, so don't, you know. And I ripped it again, yay. But just don't come after me because I'm sorry, guys. But hit that like button. Can we get 10 million likes? And I opened it. And yeah. If you know how to open this. Oh, took it out. And this Lamborghini. And when I was a baby, I used to get this, and I used to put it in. Oh, lost my coin. I used to put it in, and like it was a key, so I can start the engine. I took this, whatever I dropped, then I put it in. I did that, and sorry guys, but that, and then the car starts. But now, I just like it. Guys, look at this. Sorry guys, I told you, I'm poorly. Yeah, so, see you later next time. Peace.